So, kind of wanted to give you guys a tour of the shop as well. Well, in my garage, you know, 2-car garage here. Nothing special. I have a 4x4 Arclight plasma table. I really like them because they are here in town in Bend, Oregon. So if I need any help or any parts or anything like that, they're a couple miles away from my house. So it's pretty nice. They usually mount the computer up here on the front right corner, but that doesn't really work in my configuration. I did think about putting it back in the back corner and moving that door and stuff, which, yeah, it probably would have been a lot better in that corner, but that was a lot of work to move the door. So instead, I just mounted the computer up to the wall here. So it seems to be working pretty good for me. But yeah, I also have the engraver on it and everything too. So doing some signs yesterday for a friend. You can see here is got this nice elk sign and this fishing sign that he wanted for his dad for Christmas. Came out pretty good. I got the Miller-Matic 220 multi-process machine. It's pretty sweet. I'm pretty new to the TIG. Getting decent at steel, but still definitely green on the aluminum stuff, as you could probably tell with my radio stack in the car. Got the Hypertherm 45 to run the table, and then I can also have it here on the cart and have the hand one done to, you know, cut stuff up off of a car or something too. So the Vulcan cart from Harbor Freight has been pretty sweet for the price. I mean, it's like the same price as a Miller cart that holds 1 bottle and 1 welder. And this thing, you can, you know, you can get three welders onto it, and it has all this storage underneath, which is real nice. I built this little rack just out of some scrap C-channel I had to mount the grinder to, just to kind of save some space there. And then it holds 2 big bottles, so that's good. But yeah, kind of everything in here is saving space. I got my press, my drill press, everything mounted on this big workbench I built. Some racks for all my tool bit or bolt bins, you know, electrical supplies and bolts and everything in there. I got a spot to hold a plastic table, slides out here, and then got enough room for like 2 big Home Depot totes. So for all my spare wiring and stuff, heat shrink and loom and everything else. But yeah. The end posts are 6x6 quarter wall, and then this top rail is a 2x4 quarter wall, and then just a 3/16 plate, just because the stuff is so thick. And I also have there's a cross beam across the center. But yeah, haven't had any issues with that. I've been able to just wail away on it and haven't had any issues, so it's been good. I just had the material left over from a job, so it worked good. Over here, just got the Home Depot box and the Lowe's box. Got both of them, but all set up there. And then got my Laser Master 3 by Ortur. Works pretty good. Just laser engraver for the cheap desktop one. I can do a lot of things on it. We got the roller attachment for it, so you can do bottles or cups or whatever. It rolls it around in there. So yeah, thought I'd give you guys a little tour of my garage shop. And yeah, thanks for checking out my channel, and be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.